Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Toolwiz Photo Editor and loading your image. This gets you into the workspace fast. Once loaded, immediately duplicate the background layer so you can edit non-destructively, and make sure the Layers panel is visible. Next, check resolution and crop quickly using the crop tool to frame your subject. This improves composition before heavy edits. Also set color profile or canvas units if needed. This prevents surprises later when you adjust exposure or export for web or print. Now you refine the image. Use the exposure and contrast sliders to balance light, then recover details with highlights and shadows. These base steps set tone. Once done, switch to selective tools. The brush or mask lets you apply changes only where needed, so you preserve skin or sky. Then remove blemishes with healing or clone and apply sharpening at the end. This avoids artifacts. Remember to zoom into 100% for precision and toggle the before/after view to verify progress. Finish by reviewing your image at actual size, making small adjustments to color balance or noise reduction if needed. Once satisfied, decide whether to flatten or keep layers. Save a layered copy for edits later, then export a flattened JPG or PNG with proper quality and color space for its use. If something goes wrong, revert to the duplicated original layer or use Edit Undo History to step back. And make sure you reset any tool presets if results look off, then reapply carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.